Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn 20 lines on mountains. So let's start. Mountains are tall and majestic natural wonders. They are formed by the movement of the earth's plates. Mountains can be rocky, snowy or green. They are home to many animals like goats and bears. Mountains have peaks, slopes and valleys. We can climb, trek or ski on mountains. Mountains give us minerals like iron and copper. They are a source of rivers and streams. Mountains have different climates and weather. We can see beautiful sunrises and sunsets on mountains. Mountains are a great place for adventure and fun. They help keep the air clean and fresh. Mountains cover 22% of Earth's land surface. The highest mountain on Earth is Mount Everest at 8.8 km above sea level. Mountains have many kinds of plants and trees. They are a source of water and food for many people. Mountains can be dangerous with landslides and storms. Mountains support local economies through tourism and resource extraction. Mountains are a great place for relaxation and peace. Let's explore our amazing mountains. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.